Hey guys, I ordered some stuff from Bladeops, and here is my unboxing. I don't know if you can see Bladeops right there. Anyways, just dig right into it. Bladeops. Another box, which is not closed all the way. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, the boxes. You guys already can tell what this is. I don't even know if I'm gonna. Yeah, I'll open it for you. Why not? You see exactly what I got. Alright. I got a keychain balis, same one that Cutler Lover got. Blue handles though and black blade. That's pretty cool. That aside, I got another bali. Dear Lord, that's a tight latch. And this is kind of it's called a Cobra USA. Kind of a unique bali. There's an edge right there at the bottom, but nothing back here. And 2-inch edge. That's pretty cool. And this needs some major lubrication. But it looks pretty cool. And lastly, ooh, what can be in here? A Rising Sun Balisong, huh? Oh, the double edge version. Sweet. That's pretty cool. In my order, I bought the other two. I bought this one and this one, and I told Bladeops if they wanted to send me other stuff for free, that I would be more than happy to do a no, not for free, but just throw it in. So it is for free, but if they wanted to throw other stuff in, I'd be more than happy to do reviews over those things. And they threw in a Rising Sun. Oh, that's awesome. So thank you, Bladeops, and hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. See you later.